Introducing the Vivo X200 FE, a bold fusion of performance, elegance, and cutting-edge innovation, designed for users who demand flagship-level features without the flagship price. Vivo brings its premium DNA to the forefront with this latest entry in the X series, delivering a stunning user experience wrapped in a sleek, stylish form factor. Let's start with what drives this beast. At its core, the X200 FE is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400e chipset, a next-gen processor built on an advanced fabrication process that ensures blazing fast performance, top-tier efficiency, and low thermal output. Whether you're gaming at high settings, editing videos on the go, or multitasking across multiple demanding apps, the X200 FE handles it all with ease. This chip is further optimized to deliver AI enhancements, real-time camera processing, and buttery-smooth animations throughout the interface. The display is another standout feature of this device. The Vivo X200 FE boasts a brilliant LTPO OLED panel with a high refresh rate that adapts intelligently up to 120 Hz, providing both silky smooth visuals and power-saving efficiency. Colors pop with exceptional vibrancy, blacks are deep and pure, and HDR content looks absolutely stunning. Whether you're binge-watching your favorite shows, editing high-res photos, or playing graphically intense games, this display elevates every experience. Photography enthusiasts will find plenty to love here. The phone features a Sony IMX921 periscope telephoto lens, offering crisp zoom shots with enhanced clarity and detail. This is paired with a high-resolution primary sensor and an ultra-wide-angle camera, forming a versatile triple-camera system that's built for creativity. From capturing scenic landscapes to portrait shots with beautiful depth, the Vivo X200 FE brings flagship-grade photography to your fingertips, even in challenging lighting conditions. Powering all this tech is a massive 6,500 mAh battery, ensuring all-day endurance and more. You can stream, scroll, shoot, and game without constantly worrying about running out of juice. And when you do need a top-up, 90W fast charging gets you back in action in record time. Just a short charge, and you're good to go for hours. The design is where style meets substance. The Vivo X200 FE is crafted with a premium finish, slim profile, and refined edges that make it not only visually appealing, but also incredibly comfortable to hold. It comes in a range of elegant colors, appealing to both professional users and trend-conscious consumers. On the software front, it runs the latest Funtouch OS 15, based on Android 15. This new version brings smoother transitions, deeper customization, enhanced security features, and improved app management. Combined with Vivo's thoughtful UI design, users get a clean, modern interface that adapts seamlessly to their workflow. Additional highlights include dual stereo speakers for immersive audio, NFC support for contactless payments and data sharing, and advanced cooling systems to maintain optimal performance even during extended gaming sessions. In conclusion, the Vivo X200 FE isn't just a phone, it's a statement. A device that proves you don't have to compromise between power, beauty, and intelligence. Whether you're a mobile gamer, a creative professional, or a productivity-focused user, the X200 FE delivers flagship-grade features in every category, all while maintaining an accessible price point. With this device in your hands, you're not just keeping up with the future, you're leading it.